So today I'll be showing you how to set up your GoPro Hero 12 with an iPhone. So when you switch on the GoPro Hero 12 for the first time, this is the screen you're going to see where you need to select your language. Okay, so I'll choose English and OK with this check mark right here. And then of course it's going to take you through the legal stuff. Just tap on agree and then choose whether or not you want to use voice control. And then if you choose yes, you'll have to choose the language you want to use voice control in. So mine is English US, just confirm that. And then now it's going to prompt you to launch the Quick app on your iPhone. Now, the Quick app is available in the App Store. So if you go to the Apple App Store and then go to search and then type Quick, Q-U-I-K, like that. So this is the GoPro Quick app. All right, so just go ahead and install that app onto your iPhone if you haven't already. Once the app is installed, just launch it, and then it's going to take you through the process. Do you own a GoPro? So I'll just tap on yes, I do own a GoPro. Set up your GoPro now, yes. And you can see it's already found my GoPro Hero 12 Black. Okay, so it's going to ask me to connect to my camera. If it's not my camera, I'll just tap on not my camera. But since it's mine, I'll tap on connect to camera. It's going to ask for Bluetooth pairing request. Just tap on pair. You might hear a beep sound. Of course, it's telling me my SD card is not fast enough. Then you can see name your GoPro Hero 12. Name your GoPro. So if you want to change the name, you can change it. If you want to keep that name, just tap on save name. So new name has been saved. Just let it do its thing. So it's going to ask me to connect to iCloud, to the GoPro Cloud, of course with a subscription, but I'll do it later. And then you have notifications. I want to select no thanks. And it says the GoPro Hero 12 is ready. Tap on let's go, and there we are. So there is my GoPro Hero 12. You can see the battery percentage matches my battery percentage, and it's now set up. The GoPro is now ready to go. You can see the settings. You can see the camera modes, and also you can tap on this and start recordings, stop them, change camera modes, and even see the preview. Basically see what the camera is seeing. You might need to connect to the GoPro Wi-Fi to do this. There you go. So you can now see a preview of the GoPro camera from right on the phone itself. Okay, that's basically how to set up the GoPro Hero 12 using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.